I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the text and to upload a photo into a Glog when you're in the Glogster. I already have a few Glogs previously opened, and so I'm just going to click on one of those and edit it. Okay, and once you open one that you've been previously working on, you want to go up here and click on Edit this Glog. Okay, and then I'm going to grab the text tool here on the left and highlight that and just change the font size. And I'm going to add my name. And it's easy as that. So down here, I want to add a picture, piece of my original artwork. I can either go into this tool and do replace image. So I can show you that way. And there's a piece there. Or I can choose one of these and grab something off my desktop and drop it in. It's converting. And there it is. If I don't want to have that, if I change my mind, I can click on it, and there is trash can right here. And I could delete it. Or if I'm sure I want to keep this piece, then I can select the lock, and that way it won't be disturbed as I'm working around the Glog. And that's all. Thank you.